Welcome everyone, this is Dmitri again. And do you miss missing our last TVCMALL Head Office live show? I remember that the last time I have shown you some things and introduced some of my teammates to you. But this time the situation will be a little more different because today is Saturday. We have got no one in the office. I think that will be a very good time point for me to show you the real appearance of TVCMALL Head Office. Let's get to it. At the very beginning of our tour today, this is our reception area. We have got visitors every day. Some of them are customers, clients, or the partners. That's why we put the cozy sofas here. Right next to the reception area will be our pantry room. Yes, you can see we prepared different various types of soft drinks here, like coffee, juice, or simply just the water. And some of my teammates may bring the lunch themselves. And so, we put the microwave ovens for them to warm the food. That's all about the reception hall. Please hold on. On the back side, this is the Zhenzhi Academy. It is for holding all kinds of the important meetings, lessons, and trainings, like the corporate strategy meeting, monthly department meeting, or the group training. Outside the academy, on the left side of my hand, this wall is the company development history. Zhenzhi was first established in July 20, 2008. You can see many of the important time points can be seen here as the individual signals. On the right side of my hand, this wall is decorated with photos of meaningful events and our precious partners. Yes, some of them have been cooperated with us for more than even 10 years. We sincerely hope that in the future there will be more and more new friends and partners will join us and cooperate with us. Right behind the wall, this is our product display area, in which you can find many of the cooperative famous brands like the ESR, Duxdusis, Nelting, and etc. We also got our own brands, the Emeralds and the Lemonda smart products. We got mobile phone cases, phone holder, various chargers, and other 3C electronics. Those are all our species. So far, the number of SKU online products on TVCMALL has already reached 300,000 with an average daily update volume of 1,000. Any of your requirements is welcome here. Our business scope covers more than 200 countries and regions in the world. We also provide with multi-language services like English, Italian, French, Spanish, Russian, German, or Portuguese. Okay, let's move to the TVCMALL head office inside. Our office occupies a 2,700 square meters very large space with 3 business divisions, 5 functional departments. Number 1 department will be the product development department. This department is seeking for complaint products and seeking for outstanding supplier factories based on the customer's requirements and the marketing evaluation of the company. Number 2, the product management department. This department is in charge of the promotion and the product information edition, and still the product images designing, and still the website designing. Number 3 will be the product sales department. This department provides you a personalized online customer responding service with 24 hours and 7 days. If you have any questions, please contact with me and I will always here waiting for you and help you. If the customer has placed an order, our product purchasing department, they will start to do the purchase depend on the stock quantity and still the order situation. Number 5, the free department. This department is seeking for the freight quotation fluctuations. Still, they are able and they are responsible for finding new shipping routes for you. Remember, they are always here to help you save every penny on your total budget. The last part of the department will be the marketing department, whose mission is to seeking for the multi-channel marketing promotions. We also provide diversified value-added services such as the OEM services, personalized packaging, labeling services, professional design services such as store poster design, product packaging, product photo design, and etc. Market trend share, personalized data report recommendation, API and docking services, providing product description and no watermark images for VIP customers, and diversified delivery channel services, and so on. These value-added services have greatly reduced the cost of customers and improved their work efficiency and won high price from customers. Well, this is the real sense of the TVCMALL head office. I think this video can fully resolve your confusions and to your questions. So if you have any questions, please comment below, and please don't forget to give us a subscribe and comment below if you have any questions. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you.